Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making some delicious Rice Krispie treats. We hope you all enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need Rice Krispie cereal, one 1-pound bag of marshmallows, one 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, unsalted butter, vanilla extract, and salt. Start by melting 1.5 sticks of butter on a low heat. Once the butter has melted, add 1 bag of marshmallows. Stir the marshmallows until they begin to melt. Once the marshmallows begin to melt, add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Turn the heat off and slowly add in 6 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. Next, add 2 cups of mini marshmallows. Add the Rice Krispie treats to a buttered square pan or a square pan lined with parchment paper. Gently press down on the Rice Krispie treats. Do not press down too hard to avoid creating thin Rice Krispie treats. Allow to cool for 45 minutes to an hour. And there you have it, Rice Krispie treats. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them and Muffins be cooking.